Hello friends, the purpose of this video presentation is to understand the use case in derivations. So uh, we'll understand a cross entity derivation by building a derivation schema using the BRF plus. Typically we'll follow the steps uh, so this will be a cross entity derivation for using the BRF plus framework. And so the use case could be like we know that within the standard SAP, so we'll take the data model, and within this we know that in the data model there are two entity types. Entity 1 which is called as the MARC, MRP, PP, and the other entity type we can take this as DG, R, MRP, PP. So in a standard data model there are two entity types, and we'll use the derivation logic to influence or to derive the values in the second entity, and we'll pick up two entities here, which is one is called as the MRP type, which is represented by the technical name DISMM, and the second one is the MRP group, which is represented by DGR, MRP, PP. And we'll take a attribute within the entity type called MMSTA. This is the plant specific material status. So if the value of let's say the status changes from initial to 0, 1, then the value of MRP type should get defaulted to, let's say, PD, and the value of the MRP group should be set to 0001. So this is the derivation we will take as an example for this use case. So how to build this? So there are first we'll take the outline of the steps. In the cross entity body we need to use a rule. So there will be a rule that will generate a variable, or we can call this as a table variable, and the purpose of this table variable is to contain the keys for the source entity. So the keys for the entity 1, this will be first determined by using this table variable. So we need to generate a table object, we need to define a variable, and then write a rule wherein we can bring the value of MMSTA into the table variable. Now in the second rule, so this is rule 1, and in the second rule we will do a procedure call wherein we will use the input variable. So the variable which is determined from this table will be used as an input variable, and